to convert your blog to article to voice. So head over to your account, log into your account and click on blog to video. Click on this, add your blog URL, add your prompt and type in summarize. Next, head over to click on next. For example, let's add a blog here. Choose your aspect ratio, for example 16, 16 or 16. 9. Click on escape and choose to customize your blog here. Just here, you can add the avatar, or can use over or just select your language and your dialect and click on next, and here just click on next to start creating your script based on your blog and generate you a video of here. And that's it guys. Your work is done. If you found this video, don't forget to like, subscribe.